Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, my peoples? YouTube fan and fab and friends. This is your boy Benjamin Rico doing the mukbang on some Salisbury steak, black eyed peas, and some white rice. Check it out. See that? Don't know if you can see a good picture of it. Alright, there you go. So now, I'm gonna try some. Not bad. Not bad at all. So, back to what I was saying, right? It's been raining for the past few days, and trying to figure out why. Because, like, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, it was dry. You would have thought I done smoked the eighth for loud. And you know how you get that cotton mouth? Picture that times 10. But this rice pig came out pretty good. The beans came out pretty good. And the burgers, aka Salisbury steaks, came out perfect. I seasoned them just right.
My eyes falling.
So I don't know. I'm hoping I get the flip flop, whatever you want to call it, but it's the job with the trampolines in them. Cause that has potential to grow. It does. So if I can grow with them, I'll be happy. Oh. If I can grow with any company, I'll be happy. Although this cup is from Zoe's Kitchen. I didn't just come from Zoe's Kitchen, but that's my cup that I drink out of at home. So the other day, or actually today, earlier, I was watching videos. And they showed a part where this cop literally punched the crap out this one guy, then slams him on the ground, then sprays mace on him after he's handcuffed. Now, I remember when I was growing up back home in New York, those cops knew better. But I tell you what, for anyone that sees this video, let me know what you would like for me to cook, and I'll make it and put it on video. Show you the recipe. Just a thought. This is some good hot sauce to put on some of your food, your chicken, tortillas, everything. Mm-hmm. Oh. Also, before the winter gets here, before the winter gets here, I'm gonna crochet some blankets and scarves and hats and put them on video and share them with you guys. Well, I remember when I was a kid, I used to be teased a lot because I knew how to do that. But now I'm a lot older, bigger, way bigger. Much wiser.
Another piece of meat?
Not right now. But anyway, with all that being said, people, bear with me. My mukbangs will get better. And the background will be better in the future. I don't know if anybody see this, because don't nobody watch my videos no more. But I'm gonna keep putting them on. Sooner or later, somebody's gonna stumble across them. Until then, peace.